friends. So today we are going to see a problem on leverage. By the time you have came to know the concept of leverage. Leverage in finance is nothing but a measure of risk. So if you have to identify how much risk a business is holding, you can see the leverages of it. Basically, there are three types of leverages: operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. The formula of operating leverage is contribution divided by EBIT. The formula for financial leverage is EBIT divided by EBT, and the formula for combined leverage is a multiplication of operating leverage and financial leverage, or it is contribution divided by EBT. And basically a leverage is an impact of changes in one financial variable onto another financial variable. So now we will try to see how to calculate the leverages on the basis of given information. So this is the problem in which you have to calculate operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage for companies called Aditya Limited and Amar Limited. The information given is the selling price of Aditya Limited is rupees 75 per unit, and for Amar Limited it is 75 rupees per unit. Then present PV ratio is profit volume ratio. For Aditya Limited is 40% and for Amar Limited it is 60%. Then the fixed cost for Aditya Limited it is rupees 40 lakh and for Amar Limited it is rupees 60 lakh. Then equity share capital for Aditya Limited is rupees 20 lakh and for Amar Limited it is rupees 35 lakh. Then the loan, Aditya Limited, the loan amount is 15 lakh rupees with a rate of interest of 18%, and for Amar Limited it is 10 lakh rupees with the interest of 17%. Then the production capacity of Aditya Limited is 2 lakh units per annum, and for Amar Limited it is 3 lakh 50,000 units per annum. And then the capacity utilization of Aditya Limited is 90% and for Amar Limited it is 80%. So this is the information that is been given to you, and you have to find out leverages. Friends, when you are supposed to calculate leverages, there are three things that you require. Number one, you require contribution. Number two, you require EBIT, and number three, you require EBT. So how to get on these things and then further proceed for calculations of leverages, that we are going to see through this problem. So this is the profitability statement for Aditya Limited and Amar Limited. So in profitability statement, we will begin with the production capacity. As you know, for Aditya Limited it was 2 lakh units per annum and for Amar it was 3 lakh 50,000 units per annum. At the same time, the capacity utilization by Aditya Limited is 90% and for Amar Limited it is 80%. So the actual production which has happened in Aditya Limited in this particular year is 90% of 2 lakh, that is 1 lakh 80,000 units, and for Amar Limited it is 80% of 3 lakh 50,000, that is 2 lakh 80,000 units. So this is the annual production of Aditya Limited and Amar Limited. Now we are knowing the selling price for each unit. For Aditya Limited it is rupees 75 and Amar also it is rupees 75. So the total sales value of Aditya Limited is nothing but 1 lakh 80,000 units multiplied by 75, that is 1 crore 35 lakh rupees. And for Amar Limited it is 2 lakh 80,000 units multiplied by rupees 75, that is rupees 2 crore 10 lakh rupees. So now we have got sales for both the companies. Now to get on the contribution, we have been provided with the PV ratio. Friends, if the PV ratio is 40%, it indirectly means that the contribution of the company is 40% of the sales. Okay, and for Amar Limited it is PV ratio is 60%. So what does it mean? The contribution of Amar Limited is 60% of the total sales. So as we are knowing, the PV ratio for Aditya Limited and Amar Limited, so we can get on the contribution. So contribution for Aditya Limited is coming out to be 54 lakh rupees. How it has got? We have done the 40% of 1 crore 35 lakh rupees, that is 54 lakh. And for Amar Limited, as the PV ratio is 60%, so 60% of total sales, that is 2 crore 10 lakh rupee, comes to rupees 1 crore 26 lakh rupees. So we have got the contribution, and if we will subtract fixed cost from contribution, we will get EBIT. For Aditya Limited, the fixed cost is rupees 40 lakh, and for Amar Limited, the fixed cost is rupees 60 lakh, which is already given. So the earnings before interest and tax for Aditya Limited is rupees 14 lakh and for Amar Limited it is 66 lakhs. Friends, if we will subtract interest from that, we will get EBT. So interest for Aditya Limited is 2 lakh 70,000 rupees. How came it came? See friends, there is a 18% term loan in Aditya Limited of amounting 15 lakh rupees. So 18% of 15 lakh rupees comes to rupees 2,70,000. And for Amar Limited it is 1,70,000. How come it came? It is 17% of 10 lakh rupees, which is the loan amount for Amar Limited. So 1,70,000. So if you will subtract interest from the EBIT, you will get in EBT. So EBT for Aditya Limited comes out to be 11,30,000 rupees, and for Amar Limited it is coming out to be 64,30,000 rupees. Friends, now we are knowing contribution, EBIT and EBT. So if we will just put the values in the formula, we can get the ratios or leverages for Aditya Limited and for Amar Limited as well. So for operating leverage for Aditya Limited, the formula is contribution divided by EBIT. Contribution for Aditya Limited is 54 lakh rupees and EBIT is rupees 14 lakh rupees. So 54 lakh rupees divided by 14 lakh rupees, you will get the answer, that is 3.85. And for Amar Limited, the contribution is rupees 1 crore 26 lakh rupees and EBIT is 66 lakh rupees. So 1 crore 26 lakh rupees divided by 66 lakh rupees, you will get the answer, that is 1.90. Then the financial leverage. The formula for financial leverage is EBIT divided by EBT. Okay. And for Aditya Limited, the EBIT is already known, that is 14 lakh rupees divided by EBT. EBT is 11,30,000 rupees. So 14 lakh rupees divided by 11,30,000 rupees, you will get the answer, that is 1.23. And for Amar Limited, the EBIT is 66 lakh rupees and earning before tax is 64 lakh rupees, 64 lakh 30,000 rupees. So 66 lakh divided by 64 lakh 30,000 rupees, you will get the answer, that is 1.02. Okay, now the last one, that is combined leverage. You can get on the combined leverage either by multiplying OL and FLs, or you can also do it by contribution divided by EBT. So the contribution for Aditya Limited is already known, that is 54 lakh rupees divided by 11,30,000 rupees, you will get a final answer, that is 4.735. And for Amar Limited, the contribution is 1 crore 26 lakh rupees divided by EBT, that is 64 lakh 30,000 rupees. If you get on the calculations, you will get the combined leverage of 1.938. So this is how you can get on the calculations for leverages. Friends, when you are supposed to do a problem on leverages, two things that you must know. Number one is you should know the formulas of OL, FL and CL. And secondly, you should know this profitability statement. What is the profitability statement? It is very simple. It is just a standard costing, whereby if you will find out the sales of a particular company, then you will just subtract fixed cost from that. Sales minus variable cost, you get the contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost, you get EBIT. And EBIT minus interest, you get EBT. And we require contribution, EBIT and EBT. So this is how you can go on making the solution for leverage calculations based on the information given. I hope you have understood the video. If you have understood this, kindly practice it in your notebook. And if there is any question, kindly do ask for the same. I hope you understood it. Take care. Thank you.